Hello everyone, is your car having trouble shifting gears, feeling sluggish, or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0777, Pressure Control Solenoid B stuck on, your transmission is not controlling hydraulic pressure correctly, which can lead to serious shifting problems. If left unchecked, this could result in complete transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0777 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0777? The P0777 trouble code appears when pressure control solenoid B is stuck in the on position, causing excessive hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. Symptoms of P0777 include harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or stuck in one gear, car goes into limp mode where only second or third gear works, check engine light and transmission warning light on, overheating transmission and poor fuel economy. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0777. To diagnose P0777, you need to check these critical parts. Pressure control solenoid B. Location: inside the transmission valve body, which is under the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module or powertrain control module. Location: found in the engine bay, near the firewall, under the dashboard, or sometimes attached to the transmission case. Function: sends signals to control solenoids and adjust transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case, usually near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper shifting. Input and output speed sensors. Location: attached to the transmission housing near the input and output shafts. Function: helps the PCM determine the correct shifting strategy. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failures. Common causes of P0777. Faulty pressure control solenoid B. The solenoid may be stuck in the on position. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can block proper pressure control. Wiring or connector damage. Corrosion, frayed wires or loose connections disrupting solenoid function. Malfunctioning transmission control module, sending incorrect signals to the solenoid. Defective transmission fluid pressure sensor, incorrect readings causing improper shifting. Internal transmission problems, clogged fluid passages or worn components inside the valve body. How to fix P0777? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect pressure control, solenoid B. Use a multimeter to check its resistance. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify readings, match manufacturer specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded or loose connections. Step 5. Check input and output speed sensors. Ensure they provide accurate data to the PCM. Step 6. Test fuses and relays. Replace any damaged ones that control the transmission system. Step 7. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor transmission performance. A stuck pressure control solenoid B can cause excessive transmission pressure and shifting issues, so diagnosing P0777 early can save you from major repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring and sensors to keep your car running smoothly. Watch these related videos next. P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, and P0421, warm-up catalyst efficiency below threshold. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.